Good morning, everyone. It's a chill, windy morning here in Norway, and which is like just 1 hour from Oslo. And guess what? I'm staying in a treehouse. Yep, an actual wooden treehouse tucked away in the middle of the forest. That right there is the beautiful treehouse where I'll be spending the day. It feels like something straight out of a fairy tale. And look at this giant staircase, my personal stairway to heaven. Alright, let's go up. It's quite steep, but yeah, it's okay. So we almost made it to the top, and look at this beautiful view from here. There's a gorgeous jacuzzi waiting for us, and little passages leading into the house. So let's head inside. Welcome to this typical Norwegian style treehouse. It's so cozy in here. We have got almost everything you would need. There's setup. We are just setting up for the breakfast, and there's utensils for cooking, bread in the oven, and then like we are cooking egg. And check this out. There's a fire that heats up the whole place. I just lit it, and trust me, it gets warm and cozy fast. There's a mini freeze and a cute little bathroom. Honestly, everything, there's almost everything you need for a comfortable stay. It's so nice. It's so nice. And let's check out the upstairs. This is our like resting area, and let's go up where we gonna sleep. So it's a sleeping area. Look at the beautiful bed, and the view from up here is just amazing. And there's also a safety net, just white safety net there, so I don't roll off while sleeping. So like we are finishing up breakfast now, and honestly being here feels pretty incredible. Just a warm, cozy treehouse in the middle of Norway. I couldn't ask for more. Alright, I'm going down now. So, yeah, this is like one of the best moments that I'm having here in Norway. So, let's check outside. It's chill. It's windy. Yeah, alright, stay tuned for more adventures.